Hey everybody! So today I'm going to make some barbecue stuffed potatoes. I had these at a restaurant last week and it was so good I decided to try to make my own. So I bought some baked potatoes. I cooked a couple last night in the oven, so now I'm going to heat those up in the microwave. I got some pulled pork from the grocery store. It is fully cooked. It says ready in minutes. And then I have some Florida cheese, Mexican cheese, Sargento. So that's what I'm going to put on top. So right now I'm going to heat up the potato in the microwave with the barbecue pulled pork on top of it, and then I will be right back. Okay, so it's all heated up now. Just going to spread this out a little bit. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to cut that. Open the bag using one hand and teeth. With my other hand. I'm going to pour some cheese on it. A little messy. I probably should have put the cheese on before I put it in the microwave. Then I'm going to put sour cream on. Put some sour cream on there. So I would suggest putting the cheese on before you put it in the microwave. I'm making a bit of a mess here. So what I'm going to do is flip this, if I can. Well, I can't with one hand. I was going to try to flip the potato closed so that it would melt the cheese, but I can see that it's melting anyway from the pork being warm. So let's give this a taste test. Like Kenneth Oak says, I'll give this a 10. So there it is. Get yourself some potatoes, pulled pork, shredded cheese, some sour cream, and you can put bacon bits and chives on top if you have those. It's really good. See you next video. Bye.